أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
هو الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وجعل منها زوجها ليسكن إليها فلما تغشاها حملت حملا خفيفا فمرت به فلما أثقلت دعوا الله ربهما لئن آتيتنا صالحا لنكونن من الشاكرين.
It is He who created you from a single person, and made from it its mate, that He may find comfort with her. Then, when He has covered her, she conceives a light load, and she carries it around. But when she has grown heavy, they pray to Allah their Lord, "If you give us a good child, we will be among the thankful."
فلما آتاهما صالحا جعلا له شركاء فيما آتاهما فتعالى الله عما يشركون.
But when He has given them a good child, they attribute partners to Him in what He has given them. Allah is exalted above what they associate.
أيشركون ما لا يخلق شيئا وهم يخلقون.
Do they idolize those who create nothing and are themselves created?
ولا يستطيعون لهم نصرا ولا أنفسهم ينصرون.
And can neither help them, nor help their own selves?
وإن تدعوهم إلى الهدى لا يتبعوكم سواء عليكم أدعوتموهم أم أنتم صامتون.
And if you invite them to guidance, they will not follow you. It is the same for you, whether you invite them, or remain silent.
إن الذين تدعون من دون الله عباد أمثالكم فادعوهم فليستجيبوا لكم إن كنتم صادقين.
Those you call upon besides Allah are servants like you, so call upon them, and let them answer you, if you are truthful.
ألهم أرجل يمشون بها أم لهم أيدي يبطشون بها أم لهم أعين يبصرون بها أم لهم أعين يبصرون بها أم لهم آذان يسمعون بها قل ادعوا شركاءكم ثم كيدون فلا تنظرون.
Do they have feet with which they walk, or do they have hands with which they strike, or do they have eyes with which they see, or do they have ears with which they hear? Say, call upon your partners, then plot against me, and do not wait.
إن وليي الله الذي نزل الكتاب وهو يتولى الصالحين.
My master is Allah, He who sent down the book, and He takes care of the righteous.
والذين تدعون من دونه لا يستطيعون نصركم ولا أنفسهم ينصرون.
Those you call upon besides Him cannot help you, nor can they help themselves.
وإن تدعوهم إلى الهدى لا يسمعوا وتراهم ينظرون إليك وهم لا يبصرون.
And if you call them to guidance, they will not hear, and you see them looking at you, yet they do not see.